Assalamu alaikum to everyone. We have opened a new channel named as Code with Jawad. So in this channel we will teach you about Python and C++. So today's video is about Python's smart greet robot that will greet you at any time in the morning and evening and afternoon means three time. Okay, and tell you about what is time. Not time only, it will tell you good morning. But this is very simple task I have done because I am starting with simple and we have 30 days projects plan. So I am working on it. So today is day one. So let's start.
I have another task, so I will open. There is another trick that if you want to open your project, you will go to your essential drive, and I have made this folder day one with. Okay, now let's open with code. So let's start making that. First of all, let's main dot py. Let's build this file now. Now we have to write a code. Okay, so we are making a smart greeting robot that will greet us anytime, means early morning, evening, and at night before sleeping. So let's start building it. So that start build, we have need an date time library which was necessary, I think. Okay, let's import it. Let's import daytime. This is, and first of all, if you don't have install it, so click on three dots, terminal, new terminal. You have to write a command there. This library needs command you so that this will install datetime. So I have import datetime as dt. I have tell you that why we use dt to simplify that name and don't use big name. So first of all, we again make our variable and take input from user. Current time, you can take any time. Variable name can as be you can put. Okay, current time, let's dt dot date time and dot now. Oh, okay, then dot or let's blow, and now we have
Time is
again
moving 17,
that
12
type
to
of
17.
then it will what it will basically tell, it will tell that it is good afternoon. What is good afternoon? Good afternoon. Okay, let's now we'll go to else. And why we go to else? Because if all these functionalities not work, this means that this is good. No, it's a mistake. No. Okay. Good evening. Now let's begin to our step. Okay, why I use message? I tell you. So let's go and eat our message. Now I will use plus icon and comma there, and there will use and okay. What this statement done? This print statement done that when I will run my program, it will set ask name. I will enter my name. Okay. Good morning, Jawad. What is this? This statement does this. Okay, these statements take input of user name name. Okay, then it will take that. It's this statement will use name. Sorry, don't. I think date time, current date time. Okay, current date and sorry, date time library. Okay, now this statement, this is a conditional statement. This apply conditions. After conditions, this will print user. This will what this print? This print username and message. Okay, so I think guys enjoyed this video, and for more subscribe this channel and see you next time.